all the teachers and my dear friends. My name is Loni. I am a student of 10th class in Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Kanuman. Today I am going to discuss about the human heart, which is the pumping organ of the circulating system. First of all, what is heart? Heart is a hollow muscular organ by which contracting rhythmically keeps up the circulation of the blood. Where is heart located? Heart is located in the chest between the two lungs and is surrounded by a tough two-layered sac called pericardium. Pericardium. Structure of a heart. There are four chambers in heart. The upper chambers are called right atrium and left atrium, and the lower chambers are called right ventricle and left ventricle. The interventricular septum divides it in two segments. These are membranous part of the interventricular septum and the muscular part of the interventricular septum. Functions of heart. The function of heart is to pump the blood in our body to keep us alive. The deoxygenated blood comes from the body, which is shown as with the blue leads comes from the body into the right atrium, and right atrium transfer this blood into the right ventricle. Right ventricle transfer this blood into the lungs. Then this blood gives oxygen from the lungs and comes back from the lungs into the left atrium and left ventricle, which is shown as green light, and this blood sent to the body. Some facts about human heart. A normal resting heart rate for adults ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute and 1 lakh times per day. Thank you.